Sir Isaac Newton was a brilliant scientist who made many important discoveries. Here are some interesting facts about him. Life. Newton was born in 1643 in England. He grew up in a farming family but became one of the most famous scientists in history. Gravity. He discovered gravity. When an apple fell from a tree, it got him thinking about why things fall toward the earth. This led to his famous theory of gravity. 3 laws of motion. Newton came up with 3 laws that explain how things move. One of them says that an object will stay still or keep moving unless something else pushes or pulls on it. Color and light. He discovered that white light is made up of many colors by using a glass prism to split sunlight into a rainbow. Mathematics. Newton was also a math whiz. He invented calculus, a branch of mathematics used in things like physics and engineering. Telescope. He built one of the first reflecting telescopes, improving how people could see and study space. Book. Newton wrote a book called Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica, where he explained his laws of motion and gravity. Knighthood. He was so respected for his work that he was knighted by Queen Anne in 1705, becoming Sir Isaac Newton. Legacy. His work laid the foundation for modern physics and mathematics, influencing scientists for centuries to come. Apple story. The story of the apple falling from the tree is famous, but historians aren't sure if it really happened. It's more of a legend that illustrates how he thought about gravity. Personality. Newton was a bit of a loner and very focused on his work. He often worked alone and was intensely curious. Newton's discoveries changed the way we understand the world and laid the groundwork for much of modern science. Please subscribe the channel and ring all notification. Thanks for watching the video.